In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Klaviyo. We'll walk through using Klaviyo's native landing page tool, which is the recommended way to create dedicated, hosted pages that have their own URLs. These are perfect for things like lead capture, special promos, or campaign-specific signups. Once you're logged into your account, look to the main navigation on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Website. Click on that and then choose Landing Pages. This is where all of your existing landing pages will live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. To start a new page, click on the button that says Create Landing Page. Klaviyo will prompt you for two things, an internal name and a public-facing page title. The internal name is just for you and your team, so make it descriptive enough that you'll recognize it later, like Spring Campaign Lead Capture. The page title, on the other hand, is what visitors may see in their browser tab and sometimes in search results, so keep it clear, concise, and aligned with the purpose of the page. Next, you'll choose which list new subscribers should join when they submit the form on this landing page. You can connect it to an email list, an SMS list, or whichever list you've set up for this specific campaign. This step is important because it controls where your new contacts go and what automations or flows they'll trigger afterwards. Take a moment to double-check you're selecting the correct list so you don't mix up your audiences. Now it's time to design the page. Klaviyo provides a drag-and-drop editor, which makes this part very visual and intuitive. You can add blocks for images, text, buttons, and, of course, your form fields. Think about the main goal of the page. Usually it's to collect an email address or phone number, so keep the layout simple and focused. Add a headline that clearly explains what visitors get, a short description that reinforces the value, and then your form. Avoid asking for too many details up front. Often, just an email address or phone number is enough to start. As you design, preview your page on both desktop and mobile views to make sure it looks good and reads well on smaller screens. When you're happy with the overall layout, colors, and content, you're ready to publish. Click the Publish button. Klaviyo will generate a unique URL for your landing page. You can share this link directly in your ads, social posts, email campaigns, or anywhere else you're driving traffic. And that's it. You've created a dedicated, hosted landing page in Klaviyo, ready to start collecting new subscribers.